As schools reopen, safety is by far the #1 concern. Banner Ups by Budnick now offers a DIY solution to make low-cost classroom partitions quickly. Using ordinary PVC pipe, together with Banner Up's adhesive tabs and our clear PV Shield sheeting, you can make custom partitions in a matter of minutes. Assembly of the PVC frame is simple. Banner Up's PV Shield film is extremely clear, tough, and available flame retardant. PV Shield comes on convenient rolls and it's easy to cut to your desired size. Next, apply Banner Up's tabs to the corners of the partition sheets and punch the holes with a Banner Up's hole punch. Banner Up's tabs are super strong and maximize the durability of lightweight films. Look how clear PV Shield is. The Banner Up solution is a fraction of the cost of other commercially available partitions, and it's faster to install and customize perfectly to your needs. To assist in your safety efforts, Banner Ups by Budnick is committed to donating limited quantities of tabs to educators for use in your classroom. To receive free samples, design ideas, and pricing, please email bannerups@budnick.com or visit bannerups.com.